Your baby looks healthy. They smile, they play, but growth doesn't always slow down loudly. Pediatricians are warning that 7 everyday feeding habits, ones most parents believe are harmless, can interfere with steady weight gain and development. In this video, we'll uncover the 7 feeding mistakes that may be holding your baby back and show you exactly how to fix them safely. Let's start with mistake number 1, overfeeding or underfeeding. Many parents ask the same question: am I feeding too much or not enough? Both can be harmful. Overfeeding can disrupt natural hunger cues, increase spit up and discomfort, create long-term overeating habits. Underfeeding can lead to slow weight gain, reduce energy levels, affect developmental progress. Babies are born with natural appetite regulation, but pressure feeding, forcing them to finish bottles or bowls, overrides those signals. Safe fix: watch for hunger cues, rooting, hand-to-mouth alertness. Stop when baby turns away or seals lips. Follow pediatric growth charts, not comparison with other babies. Growth is individual. Appetite varies daily. Mistake number 2, introducing solids too early or too late. Timing matters. Starting solids too early, before 4 months, can increase choking risk, stress immature digestive systems, reduce breast milk or formula intake. Waiting too long, beyond 6 to 7 months, can delay chewing skill development, increase iron deficiency risk, create texture aversions. Pediatric guidance generally supports introducing solids around 6 months when baby sits with support, shows interest in food, loses tongue thrust reflex. Safe fix: wait for developmental readiness, not pressure from family or social media. Every baby develops at a slightly different pace. Mistake number 3, prioritizing quantity over quality. Sometimes babies eat a lot, but still lack key nutrients. Not all calories are equal. Common issue: too many pure fruit pouches, excess rice cereal, low protein intake, low iron-rich foods. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutrient gaps in infants. Low iron can affect brain development, energy levels, appetite. Safe fix: focus on nutrient-dense options. Iron-fortified cereals, mashed lentils, pureed meats, egg yolk if tolerated, healthy fats like avocado. Growth isn't just about size, it's about development. Mistake number 4, ignoring feeding environment. Distractions matter more than parents realize. Television, phone scrolling, baby distracted. When babies don't focus on feeding, they miss fullness signals, eat inconsistently, develop poor feeding patterns. Responsive feeding requires attention. Safe fix: turn off screens, sit face-to-face. Make feeding a calm interaction. Feeding time is not just nutrition, it's regulation and bonding. Mistake number 5, delaying texture progression. Some parents stay on purees too long because they're afraid of choking. But delaying textures past 9-10 months can reduce chewing skill development, increase picky eating later, create texture sensitivities. Chewing is a learned skill. Safe fix: gradually increase texture. Smooth puree, mashed, soft lumps, soft finger foods. Always supervise, but allow practice. Texture exposure builds confidence and skill. Mistake number 6, using milk incorrectly after 12 months. After age 1, whole milk can replace formula or breast milk in many cases. But too much milk becomes a problem. Excess milk can reduce appetite for solid foods, cause iron deficiency, lead to poor diet balance. Many toddlers drink 30-40 ounces daily. That's often too much. Safe fix: most pediatricians recommend limiting whole milk to around 16 to 24 ounces per day after 12 months. Food should gradually become the primary source of nutrition. Milk complements meals. It doesn't replace them. Mistake number 7, pressuring or forcing food. This one is emotional. Parents worry. Baby refuses food. Stress rises. But forcing bites, bribing, or showing frustration can increase food resistance, disrupt hunger cues, create long-term negative associations. Feeding should not feel like a battle. Babies go through normal appetite fluctuations. Growth spurts, teething, minor illness, all affect intake. Safe fix: offer food calmly. Allow refusal. Reoffer later. Trust patterns over single meals. Think weekly intake, not one meal. Here's what matters most. Most feeding mistakes are not permanent damage. They're small habits that can be corrected. You are not failing. You are learning. Growth is a journey, not a single weigh-in. If your baby is meeting developmental milestones, growing along their curve, active and engaged, you are likely doing far better than you think. But awareness makes good parenting even stronger. If this helped you, share it with another parent who may need reassurance today. And remember, feeding isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, patience, and trust. Your baby's body knows more than you think.